Alright, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we just gotta do a full day of home office work in the middle of like the COVID situation right now. And it's pretty early right now. It's 7 o'clock, so I woke up like 6:30 or something like that. So later today I'm gonna meet up with my sister and I'm gonna grab some food, and also there is some furniture she bought. So I'm gonna help her with that. This is a full day of me how I work at the home office. Still 1 hour before I get started working, so I don't need to actually do work stuff right now, but I already turn on my work computer. I'm ready to work, but I'm not gonna like start working until 8 o'clock. So it's 1 more hour, gonna prepare myself, do some editing, and then gonna start working. Alright, we're out of apple juice, so I'm not gonna have anything to drink this morning, which is something really disappointing about. I'm trying not to be too loud right now because people are still sleeping. It's still really early in the morning. Yeah, we're probably gonna go out to grab a package today in the middle of the day and also buy some groceries because there's little or nothing in the fridge. There was like even a week where I was supposed to I was determined to not drink any coffee for like a month or 2 months because of an explanation from a friend. And he said that caffeine will never like leave your body, or like constantly be in your body like for a long period of time, because it's eventually gonna be like disappearing. But at the same time, it's like, dude, I wanted to try that. And then the first day I was like eating dinner at my sister. It was one of the logs, I don't remember which one, number 2 or 3. But then the tea had caffeine in it, like it was white tea and green tea. So it was coffee, like there was caffeine in it. So I was like, oh, damn, if I drink this tea right there, I'll already ruin my resolution for not having any coffee for a month. And on the first day, I just had to give up. Unfortunate. Alright, it's still early, so we are still going to edit some, probably for another 40 minutes. And this week is a little bit special because it's gonna be a really calm week at work because it's like some holiday. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's Norwegian, it's called høstferie. Autumn something, vacation or whatever it's called, I have no idea.
Nothing else.
We're just done with the meeting. There's another meeting to another meeting. That was so much. Like in the middle of the meeting, I had to do something important, so I was like, I didn't even like realize they were talking about stuff, and they were asking me a question, or really they just asked me for something. And I was like, oh, I didn't hear anything. I was busy doing something else. So yeah. I'm gonna go up and grab some food right now because it's 10 o'clock for 2 hours. So we're gonna do some food. Yes, we're upstairs right now. We're gonna microwave some easy food from yesterday, so just simple rice, beef, broccoli, and some chicken. So, yeah. Alright, we are here again. I'm gonna do a little bit more work and we can probably chill for a little bit because it looks like everything is going really well right now, so I don't really need to do much. So we can probably chill. It's Monday, it's middle holiday. Of course it's not gonna be a lot to do, but unexpectedly it was actually much more than I imagined like this morning, but most of it I'm actually pretty like done. So I'm going to do a little bit more and I'm gonna edit my video. Because I just can. Alright, since I have time and my package actually just arrived, I'm gonna go to the store, grab my package, and come back here. Probably gonna take like Okay, not gonna take 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So, I'll be back soon. Never forget your phone. Alright, we're back. We're gonna charge the DJs real quick, and we're gonna open the package. Like, the delivery package is insane. It's freaking nuts, dude. Like, I bought so little thing, but what I got, the box of it, how they packed it, that's crazy, dude. Oh yeah, that's why they gave me a big bag. Yeah, I kind of forgot actually got this as well. So basically, I got a whole little backpack, like a GoPro 9, huh? And we got this. Because when I was filming, when I was riding this scooter, it was just looking so weird that I kind of wanted to get one of these, so I can actually ride with my scooter, and it will be looking pretty cool for my GoPro. Some cables, USB-C cable and micro USB-C. I think this is micro USB-C, USB-C, and USB to USB-C. So I got our cables. Yes. It's 2 o'clock real soon now. I'm going to flex out from work, so I'm going to help my sister move some furniture, and she's gonna come here in a couple of minutes from now on. And then we're gonna go out, we're gonna help them fix a new place, and after they fix them, help the new place, we are also going to eat outside. Just a little eating outside every single week, but what can I do? They have like a special offer when we're gonna eat outside, so I'm gonna show you guys after. Alright, 2 o'clock in 1 minute. There's still a little bit of work I gotta finish real quick before she arrives. She's probably gonna be a little bit late, so I have a little bit of time. So I'll talk to you guys real soon. Alright, she has arrived. We gotta go now. Alright, we got our stuff, but I don't know. You guys wanna say it? I don't know if this is actual technical safe, but it does not matter. We freaking did it. Alright, we lifted the table. We're finally done with it. I'm gonna just grab some easy, simple food because I'm literally starving right now. Yeah, it was a great day today. We had some delicious food. We had just like good vibes, I guess. Helping them building the new kitchen or the kitchen counter. And I think we just gotta take a chill for now. And I see you guys on the next vlog. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.